Hopped on a plane to Puerto Vallarta, then gonna go to Sayulita. Gonna be there for around 4 days. Anyway, you get the point, just stick around. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet. Subscribe.
And I'm gonna give you a little one, not more, because then you're gonna start speaking Spanish here in no time. There you go. A small one. How young are you? Sorry, I forgot if you're drinking age.
Yeah, we're drinking.
Yeah.
Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I'm Chanel, aka No Mediocre 876, and on this channel I do health, travel, food, and lifestyle videos. Today I'm out here in Sayulita, Mexico. Sayulita. Sorry guys, Bretsky in the background corrected me. We're here in Sayulita, Mexico. Yeah, we arrived here yesterday evening. We traveled from Phoenix to here. We're here for 4 days. Something's coming.
No, keep going.
Yeah, we're here for 4 days, and you know, yesterday we went on a little cruise, and it was so much fun. But guess what? I was so tired. Not only me, Bretsky. We were both tired, so we never get to do a lot of clips and so forth. But I might throw in a few pictures so you can see what took place.
So a quick flashback to yesterday. That was Bretsky jumping in the water, and then we watched the sunset. It was so beautiful, guys, so beautiful. I'm just so sorry I didn't take more photos, but yeah, we enjoyed it. And also we saw a whale. Yes, we saw a whale. He came to say hello.
But yeah man, we're here. We're gonna go to a wedding. We're gonna tour the Sayulita and all of that and show you what it's all about. Alright, so let's go.
Oh, excuse me.
By the way, Bretsky, say hi.
Hello.
Hello. Oh, it's a nice spot to maybe take a photo. Alright guys, so that's the Sayulita sign. I think we're gonna go over there and take some photos. See, it's an iconic sign. Everybody goes there to take photos. And that's like a park right there. Yeah. But we need to try and find an ATM, so we're gonna go and do that right now. Alright, so what do we know, Brett? Yeah, so we're gonna try and find an ATM right now. Also want to take some more photos over that section over there, you know, before the lighting goes away. So it's a better try find the ATM on the GPS. But yes guys, Sayulita is beautiful. So our first day touring the little city, and love it so far. Yeah. We can go over that section over there and book tours. Lots of restaurants down here. Bikes, golf carts, ATVs, all of that you can rent. We bought a cup of one big cup of blueberry and trying the strawberry, and it's so sweet. going to get some strawberries too. But Bresky went to get some change. Hola.
Hola. ¿De dónde es usted? ¿De dónde viene?
So blueberries. Oh, nice.
I don't know if I'm saying it right.
So this guy wants to go to the beach. He has his swimsuit
la
and I don't have
playa.
any swimsuit. So I guess he just wants
You're not
me
gonna
there to
swim
accompany
anyway,
him.
even if you had
I
a
would have swim. I love to swim.
Not
I love
even
the
now.
beach.
You lie. You tell a lie.
So I guess I'm just going there to accompany him. You know, matter of fact, I might just leave you and tour the city on my own. Organic stuff all over
You can
there.
munch
So.
on. Oh look, we have.
Oh yes, we have what do you call it? Blueberries. So while he's swimming, I will just eat the blueberries. Oh look, natural juice, natural juices, yeah. Lemon, corn,
chia.
chia. Wow, lemon and chia seeds mixed together, and it's all sugar free. Look behind me, guys. Yeah, bread thing that you make, cause you may use sugar, none at all. But yeah, let's try it. Which one you going to get?
I'm gonna ask him.
Pina con albacha.
You say Quanto, right?
Yeah, quanto cuesta?
Quanto.
Yeah, so we're gonna try some of these juice, guys, and see what it's like.
What is that? Pina.
Pineapple.
What's that?
Albacha, I have no idea. It reminds me of kombucha.
So there's two kinds. No, this is mixed.
This is a passion fruit and pineapple.
Yeah.
And this one, I guess, is some type of mint. Pequeña.
Oh, okay.
How much?
Okay.
¿Cuánto cuesta?
So 20.
Oh, for the large. And para esa?
You said 20 pesos. You said 20 pesos.
Check this out, guys. Fresa con Jamaica. So the Jamaica is the same sorrel that we drink in Jamaica, as you can see on the picture right here. So they call it Jamaica. And Fresa, of course, strawberry. So it's a sorrel mixed with strawberry. Nice. I made this the other day, Brett. Sorrel juice, but they call it Jamaica here.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we get a tester, guys, and this one, which is pina con abachaca, which is some form of mint, tastes really good. Oh, gracias. So we're trying the passion fruit and pineapple now. This one is good, but I think we should get the one with the mint. Try it, Bert. And you think it's good? Yeah, but this one is
Well, I
even
like that
better. Are you on it?
I kind of like that one a little bit, but they're both good.
Yeah, I prefer this one. You know, when I get home, I'm gonna try making this.
Or you can mix them.
Kind of remind me of cucumber juice too. But maybe what they did to get the green so saturated is that they blended the mint. So this is definitely the touristy area of Sayulita. You see selling hats and all kind of different trinkets. Yeah. They're cool hats. We're on a mission. We're on a mission to find the beach.
That one's make a sale.
Bretsky can't wait to go to the beach. And he's ignoring me because he knows it's the truth.
I'm sorry. I'm just looking. I'm not enjoying it.
I just want to make my day look at good stuff. This is the best quality junk in town. I live in Puerto Vallarta. This is where I do my day.
Okay, gracias.
Today is a beautiful day by Sunday. You don't need.
No hoy.
As long as you made us during the ride, the hammock.
Gracias.
Just say no gracias. Yeah, they're selling some tonics here,
They got
so.
some butter, so.
Yeah. Oh, nice.
Oh yeah, you can get it.
Alright guys, so we just bought one of these sandals. Just putting it in the bag. Yeah. And it's real leather.
Yeah, yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, that's
Okay. There's the Chichen Itza on it.
right.
Okay. Alright.
No sell fake.
Yeah,
No
yeah.
fake. Gracias.
So you make?
Yeah, your cell phone. Is yours?
It's yours?
Yeah.
Right, okay.
So you, my brother made it.
Make it by hand?
Everything.
Really?
This one. Hey, you want the hamburger?
Okay.
This one. Hamburger.
Show them the sandals in front of it. So this is what the Chichen Itza pyramid.
The pyramid.
And this is the
Aztec calendar.
Astra calendar. Aztec
Aztec
calendar. Oh, that's at Mayan. The
No, Mayan's different.
Oh, the Mayan's different.
Yeah.
Oh, Aztec
It's two.
calendar.
One's Mayan, one's
Yeah.
Aztec. No, but when you use it, it's not go to normal. Now because.
Okay.
Leather.
That's it. Thank you.
Okay. Oh, leather belts too, huh?
¿Cuánto cuesta?
800 pesos.
800.
But for you, because I want to go home, I get it for 600.
600.
It's leather.
Es bien, bien. Yeah. It's quality.
Ah, you take it. You take it.
Oh no, Brett's interested in that.
I have all the size.
Sweetie, this is my sandal.
Yeah. Yeah, make sure that's yours, but yeah.
Yeah, be careful. And when it's not leather, when you do like this, it's crack. This one never crack. Anyway.
No, I know it's leather. I know. it's
I get it for
a,
same price because you're my customer. 500.
it's a smell. Yeah.
Same price with the sand, 500 pesos.
See the details of it?
It's a horses.
Oh, horse. Remind me of Texas. You have a Texas here.
No, but someone like. It was 32.
Nice.
Size 32. I don't know what is your size. 32.
30.
You
Yeah,
try for
34.
32 is your size.
It's a real leather, and the buckle is stainless steel.
Stainless steel buckle.
But if you want to change for silver or gold, sometimes it's very easy. You only open here.
Oh.
Change the buckle if you want to do it. If you don't, no problem.
You have some nice stuff.
And this one has like a break, you see? You can't make it. Or anyone. Oh, it's a wedding.
A wedding?
Oh, it's today.
Wait, is that where your no? That's not where your
It's
sister is
another
getting
wedding.
married. Oh, this where your sister is getting married?
No.
Oh. Oh, that's nice.
That's beautiful, though.
Yeah. Let me take a peek. Oh, that's your mom. Isn't that? No, I'm sorry. No, I saw the shirt. I saw the purple shirt. Go away. Alright guys, so we made it to the beach. Bretsky decided to do a bit of shopping before going to the beach. So we made it to the beach, as I said before. Well, a lot of people that are down here though. Yeah, good amount of people are here. The beach is calling his name.
You know I love the La Playa.
Look how you gotta let my sneakers get sandy, I know. Yeah, I'm not going in the sand. I don't want to get too much sand on my sneakers. Yes, guys. What's the name of this beach? It's La Playita. Playita. That's what I see right there. La Playita. Little beach. Ah, these blueberries are so good. So Brett stays out there having the time of his life, swimming. And I'm just here with my blueberries and what is mint and pineapple drink. Having the time of my life under this shade. Yes, beautiful evening out here. We have dinner to go at 6 p.m. It's now 5:11, so I hope he doesn't stay the entire time out there. I hope he remembers that we have dinner. But yeah, it's lovely. Yeah, and then tomorrow we have the wedding. Oh, look, he's coming. There he is, guys. He's coming. It's fine. Had the time of his life. Watch him face. Bye. How was it? Had the time of your life?
Nice.
Oh, good. All right, let's go. Nice. Oh, and I look a donkey. Nice. They're prepping for a wedding.
Girl, was tired of hearing the same song. And girl, my life was starting to fade without you around. But then you came along bringing something.
Your commitment to HIPAA laws is a testament to your professionalism. It's true. It's true.
I realize, yeah, I think I'm falling. I think I'm falling.
So we are going to try Mexican KFC for the first time. I think Jamaica's KFC is the best in the world. What do you say, Brett? You've had it.
You guys swear by it.
I mean, the entire world swears that Jamaica KFC is the best KFC.
It's a little better, I think. I think so.
Yeah.
I think it's a little better, yeah.
Not a little better. 110 or 200% better. But anyway, we're gonna wait until our Mexican KFC
Yeah, we're waiting on it to come out, so see how it is. And so this is what we got. Everything came up to 590 pesos. To be honest, I did not enjoy it.
Nothing about this one. So, bye, thank you.
And that's a wrap, folks. See you on the next video. Thanks for watching.